How to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's video I will simply show you how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats and how does it actually work. So first of all, what is Uber Cash? Now, Uber Cash is a digital balance and an in-app wallet that you can refill at any time. When you purchase $100 in Uber Cash, for example, it will never expire. You can use that Uber Cash balance to order rides or food. Now, how do you use Uber Cash? Now, you'll need to fill up your Uber Cash balance before ordering a trip. Doing so is a pretty simple process. Once you've done that, you can order a ride or food and Uber Cash will be selected as the default payment method. Now, for that, you have to actually add funds to Uber Cash. Now, as we just mentioned, adding Uber Cash to your account is only possible through the Uber app at this time. However, once you have the proper app open, the process to add funds is incredibly straightforward. Start by tapping on the app menu icon on the upper left corner and selecting the wallet tab. And make sure your preferred credit card, debit card, Venmo account, PayPal account, or Google Pay account is listed under payment methods. If not, then tap on add payment method and follow the prompts to add it. Head back to your primary wallet page and tap on the add funds button. Then tap select payment on the bottom right corner to choose your preferred payment method. Then select how much you would like to add to your account balance and just tap on the confirm button. Once you select, your balance will be loaded to your Uber account and ready to use for your next ride or meal. Users also have the option to auto refill their balance once it drops before $10. If you're a frequent Uber user, this can save you a hassle of manually reloading your balance every time you run low. Now, what you also have to do is when calling an Uber or placing an Uber Eats order, make sure Uber Cash is enabled as the payment method. If another method is highlighted, you can switch to Uber Cash by tapping Uber Cash in the payment section of your profile. That's all it takes to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.